how to change your preferred payment method on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can change your preferred payment method on PayPal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to actually change your preferred payment method on PayPal, just open up your browser and then just go to www.paypal.com and then sign into your account. Once you go to paypal.com and then sign into your account, click the gear icon which you see on the top right hand side of the screen. Once you click the gear icon or the settings icon from the top right, it will of course take you to your settings page where you can see many type of sub menu over here. You have to navigate to the payment section in this case, so just wait to load up and then navigate to payments. And then if you've added 2 or more payment method, you'll be able to find an option to actually add them as a default payment method, which means that it says you that under payments, manage your automatic payments, choose a preferred way to pay, earn rewards and do more. So you can see it'll say me to simply choose a preferred way to pay. Just make sure to enter that preferred way to pay and then your payment method will be successfully changed. And you can see choose a payment method at checkout. Just select choose and then enter the payment method that you want to use for your checkout process, and then you'll be able to add them respectively. This is simply how you can actually change your preferred payment on PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.